Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So in today's video we are going to be doing some bridesmaids makeup. So I've just filled in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the shade Taupe, and then I'm going to use these primer glow drops just for my skin base, just so my foundation goes on really nicely. Also, if you are here, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. It really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. So now I'm just going to blend in the primer that's on my face with a nice big fluffy brush. After the primer is blended in, I'm just going to go ahead and conceal my eyelids, just ready for my eyeshadow to go on. So I just put this on my eyelids and then I blend it out with a small eyeshadow brush. I find this goes on really nicely, and then I also blend it in a little bit more with my beauty blender. Then I will just do the exact same with the other eye. After both of my eyes are concealed, I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this purpley brown colour. It looks brown on the camera, but it's this really nice light purple colour. And I'm just going to blend that out as my background colour. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to pack it on to my eyelid. Then I am just going to blend it out. I know it does look a bit hectic, but it is worth it for the end result. I'm then just going to pick a lighter shade just to help me blend it out a little bit more. And yeah, I'm just going to put that on the top and then blend my eyeshadow out. After I have done my base eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead and conceal over it, just ready for a nice sparkly gold colour. And then I am going to cut crease it as well, just so the sparkles are a bit further up so you can see it when I put my eyelashes on. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. So I'm taking this gorgeous colour called Galaxy, and it's a really nice gold sparkly colour, and I'm just going to place that where I've just put the concealer, just so it stands out a little bit more and it like pops a little bit. I'm now just going to take my pinky finger and I'm going to use this shade called Super Moon, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eye. It just adds a little bit more to the makeup look and I think it looks super cute. So now I'm going to move on and do the other eye. So now I've come back and that's done. We are going to curl my eyelashes and then we are going to put some eyelashes on. So these are the eyelashes I'm going to be using. Honestly, they're so cute and so long. They're sort of a natural eyelash, but I think they're so cute. So I had a little bit of a fiddle around with these just to get them perfect and to the way I like them. So yeah, I'm just faffing on trying to put these eyelashes on. These are the eyes done now. Honestly, I think they look so gorgeous. Next, we're going to be moving on to foundation. So I'm just going to use this Maybelline one. And I'm literally just going to spread this and blend it into my skin. After I have finished with my foundation, I'm just going to use the same shade that we used for my base of my eyes, just underneath my eyelid as well on my waterline or lash line, just so it blends in together. Next, I'm just going to mascara my eyelashes, just to blend in a little bit more with my fake ones as well. So I'm just doing the bottom ones. Then I am just going to use this powder just to set my foundation a little bit more. Next, I'm using this Trip for Two blusher and bronzer. So I'm just going to blush my cheeks and put a little bit of bronzer on because my skin's quite white, so I don't want to look too muddy, if that makes any sense. I also like to blend my blusher out with one of my big powder brushes. Then I'm just going to use this Ted Baker highlighter. It's such a natural highlighter, which I really love, and it is a liquid one, so it's super easy to use, and I like to blend that out with my beauty blender as well. I'm also going to use this Ted Baker lipstick. It's a really natural colour which I really love, and it honestly smells like salted caramel, and it's just literally so nice. To finish off, I'm going to use this Studio London setting spray just to bring the makeup look together, and yeah, I think it's a really pretty look and I'm really happy with it. What do you guys think? So yeah, this is the end of the video. What do you guys think of my makeup? I really like it. I think it's super pretty, perfect for a wedding, if you're a bridesmaid or anything. I'm literally like a bridesmaid this Saturday coming. So yeah, I think I am going to do this makeup look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.